All right, guys, so what we're going to do in this video is we are going into my crypto.com account, and what I'm going to do is show you a couple things, and we're going to open a mystery box, which should be pretty awesome. One of the things that's pretty cool about this is you can, if you are Canadian and you want to buy directly with a credit card, you can do that. You can go to buy, and then you can use a credit card. Now, most Canadian credit cards are going to have a problem. So here's the CRO token, and you can buy that and put it on a credit card. Now, I said most Canadian credit cards are blocked by buying crypto because Canada is very conservative, but the Coho card is actually one that works. So it's a prepaid card. It works great. It's great for traveling, and it's just a phenomenal card. Now, you can also get $20 for free for signing up for the Coho card. I'll put a link to that in the description. But in this case, what we're actually going to be doing is opening a mystery box. So I've done some of the challenges here. One of the cool things about crypto.com is you can do challenges, and every day you can earn a diamond for free, and you can do these different quests and so on and so forth. And what you get is essentially these diamonds. So what we're going to do in this video is we're going to open one of these mystery boxes and redeem that. So let's open that. I guess that's the ice cream man. I don't know if you can hear that. So we're going to redeem that, and it is a crow reward. So I'm going to pay with 25 diamonds, and let's see. So we got a bronze box, okay? So not as good probably as a gold, but not bad. It's a free box. So let's see. So we received 0.3 crow, okay? So that's not a whole lot, but it is pretty cool that you can get these rewards. And again, you don't even need to make a purchase in order to start getting these rewards, which is pretty awesome. So I have more boxes, so more diamonds. So I'm gonna do another one. Let's see, we got a silver box this time. Awesome. Let's open this box and see what we get. And in the silver box, we got 1.2 crow, okay? So that's pretty cool. I should say also that crow, the CRO token, is one that I think they've done some investing in. It's certainly been climbing up the market at CoinMarketCap, so it is an exciting one to do. All right, let's see what else we got in this last box. And I should say, okay, the other thing that's really cool is if you fund it with the Coho card, you'll actually earn 0.5% or 0.5% back in cashback rewards. So I'm actually earning money, and if you when you open your crypto.com account, they waive the fees for the first while. Plus, you'll get $25 if you sign up using this link. So I got another 3 crow, and that's pretty awesome. When I look at this free crypto, it's not what the value is right now currently. It's what it's going to be in 3, 4, 5, 10 years. So that's what I think is really cool. Now, there are different missions you can do. This one where you can study and learn cryptocurrencies. You can level up by reading an article on crypto.com University, and you basically will go to crypto.com University, read an article, and you'll be on your way to earning a mystery box, right? So I'm just gonna accept all and then read through this. It tells you about Chronos and what it is. And I'm just gonna go through this just kind of slowly, just to make sure that it thinks that I'm actually reading it. I have read this before, and there's other articles you can read as well, right? So it has low costs, which is really good when you're doing cryptocurrency. So anyhow, let's say we got to the bottom of the page there. We're gonna go back, and we've earned 3 diamonds, right? So that's how easy it is. You can get a free diamond every day just for logging in and checking into the app, and then you can store them in the app. So and now we're back at six diamonds. There's a ton of different stuff you can do to earn different rewards. If you create an anti-phishing code, you get 3 diamonds. If you set a target price, you get 3 diamonds. So A lot of this stuff you can just set, and you can earn actually up to 1,100 crow tokens just from the mystery boxes. So it is exciting. It is something that you should be doing. I'll put a link to crypto.com. You will get a bonus. You get $25 for signing up if you use that link. And if you have any questions, hit me up in the comments. All right, that's all I got for you.